What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, yesterday we just flew back from the U.S. Virgin Islands. We did the Virgin Islands National Park there, which was super cool. I'd highly recommend it. But yeah, we just flew back here to Miami, Florida yesterday. And now today we're going to do Everglades National Park, which I'm super excited for this national park. Yeah, so we're kind of it's about an hour and a half drive down like to the Flamingo Marina area, where we're gonna do like the Backcountry Boat Tour. It's kind of through like the Everglades swamps and stuff. Hopefully we can see some like alligators and crocodiles and maybe like manatees or something like that. But yeah, and then after the boat tour, it's about an hour and a half long. We'll drive kind of back up here towards Miami, and we'll kind of work our way back out of the park, and we'll kind of stop and do like several hikes, like the Anhinga Trail and then like the Gumbo Limbo Trail and stuff like that. So let's drive down to Flamingo Marina in Everglades National Park.
Let's go. I'm a woman, I need love and attention. Stimulate me with your mind and your intention. Got me feeling that way I never imagined. You got what I need. Love the way you're feeling on me. Touch my body. You know what you do. You're the only one who knows me, drives me crazy. Nobody sees it in me like you do. Nobody gonna love me quite like you do. Nobody. Grab that thing, that fry up down like you do. Nobody. Boy, you got me high, you feel like juju. Nobody. Only you. Nobody. Only you. Nobody.
Alright, so we just made it out here to the Flamingo Marina here, and yeah, we're doing the backcountry boat tour today. It's about an hour and a half. Yeah, it boards here in about 20 minutes. So yeah, let's go do the boat tour. Hopefully we can see maybe some like crocodiles or alligators, hopefully some like manatees or something. So yeah. We left the dock at Flamingo right on time and started heading up the Buttonwood Canal. This is a man-made canal that was originally built in the 1900s by a man named Henry Flagler. This 3.2-mile-long canal was meant to link the Florida Bay with the Whitewater Bay, but this caused massive amounts of salt water to flow in, causing major disruption to the ecosystem, which then led to it being plugged at Flamingo in 1982. This canal now serves as a way for boats to access the Whitewater Bay. After traveling most of the way down the canal, we came across our first wildlife sighting. Although it is very hard to see, we saw a small crocodile right next to the shore, which was super cool. But now we continue on. After about 30 minutes on the boat, we then exited the Buttonwood Canal and into Coot Bay. The boat then sped up until we reached the next spot called Tarpon Creek. Unlike the Buttonwood Canal, this is a natural waterway. After entering it, we then learned that the stuff growing on the roots of the mangroves is actually oysters, but they're not oysters that we can eat. But they are a great source of food for many fish, crabs, and other marine animals. It was also very cool watching the Anhinga bird dry its feathers after they go down to try to catch fish. The Anhinga bird actually does not have any oil glands in its wings, which make it not be able to shed water, so therefore can sometimes take over an hour for them to dry themselves after they hunt their prey.
What you say? Oh, we're about to make some waves. Like splish splash, it's gonna be a good day. Oh, keep it coming, keep it coming. I feel my heart pumping. Keep it coming, keep it coming. I want more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like what I see in my love, but we could be so. Gimme, 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 yeah, yeah. I want more. Gimme, 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 yeah, yeah. Gimme, 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 yeah, yeah. Gimme, 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 yeah, yeah.
We then eventually made it back to Whitewater Bay, which is where we then turned around and headed back the way we came. And before long, we turned back down the Buttonwood Canal and then back to the Flamingo Harbor. All right, so we just, I got done with the boat tour, which was super cool. But we just drove up here to the Mahogany Hammock Trail. It's about a half-mile, boardwalk trail. So yeah, let's go do that. Alright, so we just got done with the Mahogany Hammock Trail here, and we just drove over here to the Anhinga Trail, so we're going to hike that along with the Gumbo Limbo Trail. The Anhinga Trail is about 0.8 miles, and the Gumbo Limbo Trail is about 0.4 miles. Apparently you can see alligators and stuff, hopefully. So let's go hike those two trails. Alright, so I think this will wrap up this video of going to Everglades National Park. Yeah, this national park was super cool. I highly recommend it. This is our 16th national park in our quest to go to all 63 national parks. This national park was super cool. We started with the Backcountry Boat Tour, which I would highly recommend that. It was super cool to like get out like really into the Everglades where like a lot of people don't really get to go, which was super cool. And then also the Mahogany Hammock, whatever trail, that was really cool also. And then the Anhinga and the Gumbo Limbo Trail, which is what we ended with. That was like the best part of our day in Everglades, is what I thought. Yeah, I think we saw a total of 5 alligators, all like in the Anhinga Trail, and then 1 crocodile, which unfortunately I couldn't really get too good of a video of on the boat tour. And then also some like turtles and a bunch of fish also, which was super cool. So yeah, I'd highly recommend going to Everglades National Park. It was super cool. But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.